Interior wood crafts designed by Mosch. There's a full cedar chair in the process of being made, sanded right now. Give you a little tour of the shop. Heading into the finish room, final finish on the product. This one has just been sprayed 2 coats, has 2 more coats to go. All these are 100% cedar, custom built to order. Take you for a little tour outside of some other finished products. There's the owner, Mosch, working on a couple pieces now. Bring you outside, show you a few more pieces. Stockpile of some rough stuff. There's some boards here that were just sawmilled, the local sawmill here in Fort McCoy, Florida. Run out front, show you a few more pieces. They're coming up to a couple of finished products here ready for delivery. These make a nice sweet addition to your backyard barbecue. High quality work done here and performed. These are ready for shipping and delivery, your choice. And a couple single rockers. Nice little coffee table. Here's a custom table I personally like. And I'm going to finish off by showing you a couple single rockers we have out front on display.